Alright, what's up guys? I'm gonna be seeing if my CAMARO exhaust tip will get hot enough to where I can cook some bacon on it. So, I'm not really sure. If it doesn't get hot enough, then you probably won't be seeing this video, but, you know. Alright, I'm gonna go run to the store and get some bacon now. Alright, just switched over to the GoPro. This is gonna be a cold start with the garage closed and everything. It's gonna be pretty loud. Alright, here we go. Just picked up some bacon. I'm gonna go and wrap it up with some tin foil and we'll see how we're gonna put it. Boom. Here's the first roll. I'm gonna make another one. See if I can stick it down the engine maybe. I'll just put the rest. Whatever. I don't even care. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna put the small one. I'm gonna wire it onto the exhaust. Alright. This is so stupid. This thing's probably gonna fall out, but look how wiggly it is. I just can't tighten up that wire. But that'll do, I guess. If it falls out, it falls out. I'm gonna put this other one probably where my headers are. So I'm thinking right down there. Just gonna jam it right in there. Let's see what we got. Alright, that's gonna be the best I can do right there. So my headers, I got it tucked in underneath the these wires right there. So, I mean that could fall out too, but less likely than the exhaust. Alright, I'm gonna I'm just gonna drive around, let it get all hot. I don't know how much I should drive around. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but hopefully this ain't too stupid. I had no video ideas. Just wanted to make a video and first thing that popped up in my head. So I'm gonna switch to the GoPro now. And here we go. Let's go ahead and go. I'm just sitting here looking for that tin foil to fall out right now. I'm surprised it hasn't already, to be honest. I'm guessing that one of the engine's doing pretty good right now. I don't see anything wrong. Alright, here we go. I know down in the comments probably gonna roast me for having my hand on the shifter when it's an automatic, but I like to drive in manual mode a lot. I don't know, it's just pretty fun. So don't roast me too hard for that one. Try not to hit the bumps as much as I can, because you know, I know when I strapped it up, it's so wiggly. I'm not really sure how long I'm gonna drive it. I'm probably gonna drive for about, let's see, about 20 minutes, I'd say. I saw a vehicle versions video on this, and it just like, I don't know. He cooked a steak with his Lamborghini exhaust. And so I know this probably wouldn't get as hot as that, because he was in the hills gassing it around every corner. The Corvette right there. But like, why the hell does this guy got this GoPro on his head? Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, gotta slow down there, buddy. Hasn't fell out yet, hasn't, you know, hit no cars. I'm pretty good right now. Kind of trying to run it at higher RPMs, you know, so I can heat up the engine. But you know, my gas light ain't agreeing with me here. What you looking at, Cook? Just got back. So we drove about 15 miles. Let's see what we got. Boom. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Let me get this one under here. Okay, I just got both of them out. It's kind of cool. It actually smells like cooked bacon. I wish y'all could smell this right now. Okay. Oh my god. It kind of actually worked. What the heck? Okay, this worked too. Okay, I can see where the wire, it kind of ate through the foil. And so this part of the bacon was actually touching the exhaust pipe. And it burnt. It kind of burnt it. So the exhaust was hot enough, definitely. The headers, yeah, looks like it got it done. All right, I guess I'm gonna try a little piece because it actually cooked. So if I die, I did it for y'all. Here we go. It's not bad. So, if you don't got a stove at home, you don't got a microwave, all you really gotta have is, CAMARO. Get your bacon cooked. That's gonna end the video right here. Should like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, you know. Make sure to leave a comment on some video ideas if you want me to do some.
This is that grimy and low down and slimy as flow. Mind-eating fluid lobotomy dope. Heimlich maneuver for rhymers who choke. Swallow me whole and infirmities quote.